Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Whiteout Survival on PC without an emulator. First, look up Google Play Games beta in your preferred search engine and head to the first result that leads to Google Play Games on Windows PC. Once you're on the official page, click the download beta button. What this is an official app by Google that lets you play Android games directly on your Windows PC. It's still in beta, but it runs surprisingly well and supports a bunch of popular games including Whiteout Survival. Once it downloads, locate the downloaded installation file and launch it in the welcome screen. Change the installation location if necessary or leave it as it is and click install. Then give it a moment to download the required files and complete setup. Once that's done, Google Play Games will launch automatically. Here, sign in with your Google account, then set up a new profile or switch to an existing one and proceed here. If you accept the terms of service, click accept next. The app will ask you to send usage data and reports to Google to help improve the experience. I like the feeling of privacy, so I usually turn this off, but you do what you feel right. And click finish right now. You're in the app and on the main dashboard. From here, click the search icon in the left hand panel and type Whiteout Survival. Then hit enter. When it shows up in a result, click on it to open the game page. Pay attention to the checkmark badge. That means the game is optimized for running on PC, and that's good, especially if you are on a lower end system and want to avoid heavy resource hungry emulators like BlueStacks that can really slow things down. Then click install to start downloading and installing the game onto your PC. It will ask you if you want a desktop icon of the game. You choose, it's up to you. Once it's finished downloading and installing, click play to launch the game, and just like that, you are in and ready to play and almost done. And let me show you a couple of things before you jump in here. In the right hand panel are a couple of useful settings you can toggle, like this one for visual settings. Here you can change the screen resolution, useful if you need smoother performance or just prefer a different layout. If you do change it, you will need to restart the app for it to take effect. You can also tweak the mouse pointer size if you prefer it larger or smaller, which is pretty handy if you're playing on a higher resolution display. To enter full screen, just click the full screen icon, and to exit, press Shift plus Tab, and there you have it. Now you can enjoy Whiteout Survival on your PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.